that we have that answer.
Not off the top of our head.
So it's going to be over 500 hours total throughout the year.
From January 1st to now.
Yes.
Yeah, and there's 5 of us on the board.
Yes.
And plenty of volunteers.
You're talking almost a year's worth of
It's
man hours.
It's like a full-time job as a volunteer position.
Yes.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
and it's maintaining a 40-year tradition?
This is the 39th year.
39th year tradition.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Great. And we have Brittany and Pam.
That's right.
Well, I hope I win.
You hope to eat some cookies?
Yeah.
Sounds good. So what do you
And I'm
win?
9. There's prizes in the bag for different age groups, and you pick from it.
So you want to have the best gingerbread house tonight.
Oh, this is a beloved event. So this is our 39th year. I've only been involved for about 3 years as a board member, but previous to that with my family when my kids are 9 and 12 now, and when we came as kids. So I think many community members love this event. So you're going to get a ticket for each age category. Only one ticket, so you're voting for your favorite one in each age category. So if you're going to vote for 4 to 7, you're going to take this 4 to 7 ticket and put it in whichever jar you want to vote for. Make sure you're looking at that age category, because when we tally results, if you have an 8 to an 11 in one of those, it doesn't count. Any questions? Okay, and while we're tallying the results, you can visit Santa, can make an ornament, or you can go get a special treat from our kitchen elves.
So we got some brownie truffles.
Oh.
We got some brownie with nuts.
At my house.
We have some red raspberry thumbprint cookies, some peanut butter cookies, Oreo truffles, gingerbread truffles, which those are amazing, even though I probably wasn't supposed to eat them, and then some gluten-free chocolate chip cookies.
And who are you?
I'm Dan.
And there's Dan in the kitchen.
I'm standing in the kitchen. I also got hot cocoa and coffee for you if you need it too.
And Raven has one. And Emily.
Hello, everyone! Merry Christmas! Look at all the wonderful children! Well, I think you're doing a very good job. They're looking very nice. I love this.
Hagrid's Hut, and the Pumpkin Patch, and Forbidden Forest.
Guess what, everyone? You get to take your gingerbread house home with you.
Can I get a picture of all the winners?
Yes. Yes.
That's okay.
If you're a winner, can you come stand next to Santa?
Right here. That's actually great. Yes, love
Good
it.
job! Ho, 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 ho. Nice work, everyone! I think that Santa's choice is that everyone's looked amazing, and if you don't want it, I would happily take it back to my house.
Merry Christmas! Here's some candy.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa